Hi there, thanks for joining me. Back on the 3 Series again. Now, this is quite a funny one. Those of you who are keen will remember I replaced these grills for some of these lovely newer edition eBay specials. And yes, there is only one of these left because going down the M40, heading to Dorset back in the summer, I saw this thing fly over the car. I thought it was like a bird or something that flicked up off the road. No, it was one of my grills. They were a bit loose when we fitted them. They were a little bit loose in the holes, and yeah, got up to speed and woof, straight over the top of the car, gone. So I was left with one. Put the original ones back in there, and they've been in there ever since. So anyway, I've been back on Amazon. Slightly different supplier, slightly different grill. I mean, they look pretty much identical, but let's see if this one has got better clips on it, or is this going to have exactly the same issue as the last one? If it is a bit loose, I'm just going to put a little bit of tiger seal or some kind of bonding just to stop them from coming out again, because I don't want them flying off again. Let's whip these out, get them swapped over. To be fair, these are cheap as chips. These ones were less than 20 quid. You know, cheap and cheerful. They look nice. They lift the front of the car, make it look a bit more modern. These have got these little tabs in here that we've got to get out. So if you look at the side of these, they've got these little press tabs that we've just got to push down to pull the grill out. So I'm just about getting my finger under it. You can just see on these where that is, and I'm just putting the tool through there, hooking it and pulling it up. So I can just about see that one there. Hook that one's gone. Just put a little one's gone back in again. I don't want to break these because if like the last time they are no good, I'll be needing these again. There's that bottom two out. And then the top ones are the same. So if you're doing this, just make a note of where I'm shoving my tool through. You can actually feel it just about with your finger, and then get that tool through that little clip and twist and pull down. So that one is the second sort of slot in. And then I think this side is the third one to get on it. That's the fourth. Yeah, it's that one, isn't it? It's just up there. Just get it in the little groove and twist it. There we go. Get back on this one again and just give it another tug. And it's going to come. There we go. That's that one out. You see, all we were doing then was just putting that up there, getting it in and just twisting them tabs down. And let's have a look at the new one. Well, it's the right one to start with, but already you can see it's quite definitely not got the same grip as what the original ones have. So I think a couple of little bits of I'll clean this up. We'll drop a couple of little bits of bonding on there just to hold them in. Just give this a quick rub with the grime wipes, get all that dirt off, make it nice and clean, and then that Bondo will stick to that like a dream. And make sure it's nice and dry as well. Ah, that looks better. Bit of blue roll just to buff it up. No, it's still loose. Looks nice though, doesn't it? You can't believe the difference in these clips from the originals to those. Well, I've got some of this Loctite tiger seal kind of stuff. It sets really lovely, and it shouldn't be too aggressive. If we need to get this out, we should be able to pull it out again without too many problems. But let's just get a good blob of that on there. A blob on each one. There we go. And then we can stick that back in now, and it should hold it all in place nicely. Yeah, once that's gone off, that ain't going nowhere. Lovely. There's one. We'll do the same with the other side. Get the clip in there. Pop those out. That came out nice and easy. Give it a good rubbing round again, get all that dirt off, and buff it with the blue roll. And we'll drop that Loctite onto each little clip again, and that should just touch the outside of that bumper when we put it in. The clips are absolutely useless on these. Nothing like the originals. You can just see the difference in how sort of loose they are. But that Bondo should hold that. And they do look really nice. You can get original BMW grills for just under 100 quid. Which is it's a lot more money. If this Bondo works on here, I'll be happy. Just doesn't quite fit right. It's close though. See how loose that one is there. I think once that stuff's gone off though, that should firm that up a bit. We're all in though. Right. Let's leave it at that, and we'll keep the originals. It really does make it look a lot more aggressive with those on there. Let's just shut that bonnet down. Yeah. It really does. It sort of brings... It makes it look newer. It makes it look newer than it is. This is a 2010, and that kind of makes it look more like one of the newer versions. But it gets rid of that chrome. I've never been a fan of the chrome. Let's see how they go. They set, yeah, all good, and they're solid. If one of them blows out, I'll let you know. Let's get it down off the jack and just see how it sits when it's on the flat. It does sit nice, this. It's on the eye-back springs, which are just slightly lower. Just need to get the car a wash now. Still got this scuff on the front. Bumper's got to be painted. I'll be doing that in the summer. But yeah, other than that, for an old girl, workhorse, it don't look too bad, does it? If you enjoyed that one, drop me a little thumbs up, drop me some comments, like, subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day.